It's so delicious I cook it almost daily. Wonderful chicken and potato recipe. In a skillet or pan, start by adding sliced onions. On top, add 2 potatoes cut into half moons. Season with a bit of salt. A touch of sweet paprika. Some black pepper. Add cubed chicken breast on top. I used about 300 grams here. Season with a little salt and a bit more black pepper. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, 200 milliliters of milk. Season with salt, oregano, pepper, then mix well. Pour this mixture into our pan. I added fried garlic on top, optional. A bit more sweet paprika. Cover with aluminum foil. Bake at 200 degrees for about 40 minutes. After baking, top with some mozzarella. About 4 slices of tomato. Oregano to taste. A little more salt. Bake again at 200 degrees until golden. Look how amazing this recipe turns out. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick dish from Pobre na Cocina. Take care, everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.